In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add feedback to images in Asana. This is an incredibly useful feature that can streamline your workflow, especially when you're working on design projects or reviewing visual content with a team. Whether you're a project manager or a team member who needs to give precise feedback, this function allows you to effectively communicate your thoughts directly on the image. Let's get started by opening the task that contains the image you want to provide feedback on. Once you have the task open, locate and click on the image. This will open the image in Asana's Media Viewer, giving you a clear, full-size view of the content. In the top right corner of the viewer, you'll notice a button labeled Add Feedback. Click on this button, and you'll see your cursor transform into a plus crosshair. This change is important because it allows you to directly interact with the image itself. Now, here's where the magic happens. With the crosshair cursor, you have the ability to click on any specific part of the image. This is perfect for when you need to give targeted feedback on precise areas, such as a specific design element or a particular section you want to address. Once you've clicked on the part of the image where you want to provide feedback, you'll be prompted to enter the task title name for the feedback. Type in your comments or suggestions as the task title, ensuring that your message is clear and concise for whoever will address it later. After you're satisfied with your feedback title, click on Create Task. This action seamlessly creates a subtask within the original image task, linking your feedback to a tangible to-do item. Now, when you look back at the image, you'll see a pin with a number. This pin visually corresponds to the feedback number listed on the subtask of that task, helping everyone on the project precisely see where feedback is located on the image. This feature is incredibly beneficial for collaborative projects involving design revisions or document edits. It allows team members to offer pinpoint feedback without the confusion of miscommunication. With everyone on the same page, projects can progress smoothly and efficiently. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you've added valuable feedback directly to an image in Asana. This feature not only optimizes your project management process, but also enhances your team's ability to work collaboratively and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to leverage Asana's capabilities to improve your workflow.